Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your friends on Snapchat app. Let's start. At first you have to open your Snapchat app. In here, if you tap on the people icon, then you guys can find out this page. Now if you tap on the plus icon, then you guys can add the persons. For example, I want to add this person, then I can add her. Then if you guys want to contact with them, tap on here and then you can send messages to them. And in here, if you guys want to search a person, then you just have to put their name here, and if you guys have a snap code, then you guys can use it to find your friend. And then if you guys want to invite your friends, you guys can also do it by tapping on invite your friends, and then you guys can invite your friends who are in your contact right now. You guys can also invite your friends through the other social apps. Now tap on here. So this is how you guys can add your friends on Snapchat app. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.